Good old days. Oh. Reflect with me. You know what I'm saying? We just sitting on the porch and watch. Helicopter flying overhead. Little niggas in the street throwing dirt rocks. Feel me? Archaeological logic. Discovered Van Gogh's fossils to paint a perfect picture. 12 years a slave, 20 years a spitter, 37 years a nigga. Hoping to see 90 being a strong black figure. As I stand and deliver, breathe fire in Japan. Godzilla, by popular demand of the fans. See the God got iller. I'm like Cornel West with scales on my chest. You Superman thugs can trip the knife to the flesh. See the hood got me stressed, taking fists to the neck. Multiple arrests and I discovered KRS. Let us begin. What, where, how, or why will all be explained, and if not, fam, we die. Losing Granny was the hardest. Good women I fucked and left broken hearted. Turned up being retarded. Transformation to activist from an artist. Like young Malala, who the Taliban would target. Shot in the head, just cause she wanted to read. Till every person sex traffic is free, we gotta bleed for what? Cause niggas tell on themselves nowadays. Film it on bond and wonder why crime don't pay.